Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to report a tweet on Twitter. Unfortunately, Twitter are not always full with good and qualified tweets, so there are also some tweets which has hate speech or against the Twitter society rules. So let's learn how to report them. Twitter can be a little bit crazy. By default, it's like a large public shouting match. Anyone can weigh in, scream something, wave a sign, and generally interact with whoever else they want. Yeah, whoever they want. So this can cause some issues sometimes. Although Twitter has some broad rules like no abusive behavior, threats, harassment, hateful language, leaking private information, and so on, they are not very well enforced. So no one is actually reviewing tweets in real time. So it's easy for someone to set up an account and send hundreds of abusive messages before they're shut down. I mean, I'm saying hundreds, but that can even get to thousands. So the only way to get people stopped, to get people who do these things stopped, is by reporting their tweets to Twitter's team of moderates. So if they agree they're breaking the rules, some action will be taken. So I will show you how to report a tweet on Twitter on your desktop. So what we're gonna do first, of course, signing in into our account, which I have already done as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is we're gonna select a tweet that we want to report. I rarely have those kind of things, but let's see. What I'm going to do is I will go to my best friend account because, she wouldn't mind if I would do so. So let's assume that we want to report this tweet. Even if it's on your feed, this process is just the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click this arrow right here, as you can see on the right corner at the top. We're clicking on that, and as you can see, I can report this tweet, right? I'm reporting this tweet that she's written, not this one. So I'm going to click report tweet, and Twitter is gonna ask me what is the issue. They want us to help them understand the problem and what is going on with this tweet. So what I can choose, I can say I am not interested in this tweet. I can say it's suspicious or spam. I can say it's abusive or harmful, or it expresses intentions of self-harm, suicide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose I am not interested in this tweet. So this is what I have chosen. As you can see, my right here, even you can see here, I have done it. I have reported the tweet. So what I can do, I can just close this tab, or maybe I want to go further and I want to unfollow this person, or I want to mute this person, or I want to block this person. It is up to you. Maybe you just don't want to unfollow or mute or block that person. You just didn't like that tweet of theirs, and you just choose to report that tweet, and you don't take any other actions further. So what I'm going to do, I have just reported to tweet, and I don't want to do any other thing. So I'm going to click done right here. And as you can see here, Twitter is showing that you reported this tweet. Let's see which tweet we have reported. As you can see, this is the one that we have reported. And when we're clicking here, the way we reported this tweet, we just reported it, so there's no issue right now, and I'm still following her. I can report this tweet again for another reason, but I'm not gonna do it. I don't want her account to be shut down. So this is how we do it. And if you have any questions about reporting a tweet, or anything about Twitter, or anything you would just want to know about apps, you can ask me those questions on the comments, and I will be there answering your questions. And if you have any other suggestions about our content or something else, you can also let us know on the comments. So if you find this video helpful, and if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the thumbs up. Yes, hit the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do not forget to hit that button too. It's so easy. Click. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.